Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jello Mousse full guide. Gather gelatin, sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, and flavorings before you start. Bloom gelatin in cold water, then dissolve gently in warm liquid without boiling. Whip cream to soft peaks and fold into cooled gelatin and condensed milk mixture. Chill until set and serve with fresh fruit or whipped topping for texture contrast. Enjoy a light, colorful dessert that's easy to customize. We'll go through the ingredients and why each one matters for texture and flavor. Use 1 packet gelatin or about 2 1/4 teaspoons for a firm set. Heavy cream gives richness, so use 1 cup whipped to soft peaks. Sweetened condensed milk adds sweetness and body, typically 1 can. Choose clear Jello or flavored gelatin to match fruits and adjust sugar if using unsweetened juice. Fresh fruit improves flavor, but avoid fruits with natural enzymes that prevent setting. Quick recommendation: if you prep Jello Mousse ahead, leak-proof containers make transport and storage stress-free and tidy. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I picked these leak-proof containers for durability and easy stacking, perfect for layered mousse or single servings, and they seal tightly to prevent spills and save fridge space. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's walk through the process step by step with simple timing and temperature cues. Bloom gelatin in 1/4 cup cold water for 5 minutes, then dissolve in 1/2 cup warm liquid. Mix dissolved gelatin with condensed milk and flavorings, then cool slightly. Fold in whipped 1 cup cream gently until uniform. Spoon into dishes and chill at least 2 hours until set before serving garnishes. Taste and adjust sweetness before chilling for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.